I had such an awesome day using the Avata 2 at the Gold Coast Motocross Club. Thank you so much to them. Firstly, huge shout out to Gold Coast Motocross Club. Check them out if you're in the area and you're into motocross. It's an awesome track. And for me, it was actually really fun to fly around it. There were not too many obstacles, not too many trees, really easy to navigate with the Avata 2. There were some talented riders out on the day as well. And something that worked out beautifully well, one of those like divine alignment things, I met a guy called Dylan. He was there riding and basically we collaborated, right? So I tracked him most of the time and he would come back, we would discuss, okay, how do we want to go about doing this? And we would just kind of coordinate and make things work to get some different angles and different perspectives. So thank you so much to Dylan. Shout out to him. Both Gold Coast Motocross Club and Dylan, their stuff would have popped up on the screen. So make sure to go and check them out and show them some love. Also, huge shout out to Colin. Check out his YouTube channel. He was the one who gave me the invite. So thanks again, mate, as always. And one thing to keep in mind here, right, is that with the Avata 2, I could not keep up. In most situations, I was in sports mode. I could just not keep up with Dylan. Like on some of the straights, I would lose him, right? He would just go right ahead. I had no chance of catching up with him. I would have to basically plan ahead and have like a static shot of me looking down and then try to keep up with him. But just keep that in mind, right? Like it is a little harder to keep up with someone who's moving really fast when you've just got the Avata 2 in sports mode. You really need to unlock the manual mode and unlock that true FPV experience to get the faster speeds and to be able to keep up with people. But still, I feel like it worked out relatively well. There's some cool clips that you would have seen before. And thank you so much to everyone who helped out with this. I really do appreciate all the support. I will have some links below to check out some drone deals as well as some Avata 2 deals. Definitely reach out to sales@d1store.com.au, mention DansTube, and they'll help you out with the best deal possible, as well as going to their website and using the code DansTube to save on select items. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.